Okay guys, watching GNCA, as you can see we have a huge movement to the upside on the morning. This is a morning spike and a breakout right here at the 4.20 area. So this one make a top right here on the 4.55. Okay, so for me this is an ABCD pattern. Let me show you why. Okay, right here on the top this is the A point, and then we have lower highs. So for me this is B. When we find some support here at 4.22, this is my B point. So right now is the tricky part on the pattern. As you can see, this consolidation is really important because it will give us the C point and is our entry price action. So I am expecting to maybe enter right here, or maybe enter and on the breakout. So let's watch. I am watching really close. This pink line is our entry price, the real entry price that I want to take. Okay, so it's 4.36 right now. We are testing right here. I'm about to enter if we can break that area. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. Okay, a few sellers came back in and make another retracement. So I think that's a really important price to get in this pattern. So we have to be really conscious about the risk that this involves. And let's watch if the daily chart gave something. Okay, so 5.20, and let me take more data. Okay, right here, let's see a few months ago. Okay, this is the yearly chart. So 5.20, but it's pretty far. It's a huge level of resistance right here. 5.25 is a huge level, and we are just in that. Look at this. This is a pivot point. Look at this. We have this consolidation right here, this support, then this resistance. Then we have a few moves right here, a few tests and fail. Right here another high, and it's a really psychological level. Actually it's, I think, 4.30. 4.30 is the level, huge level. So let's wait. We are just above that level, just below actually. We are just in that area. So the breakout in this ABCD pattern will be also a multi-month breakout, a multi-month pivot. The volume came in. I hope we can, if we break down this could be a nice short also, but I am expecting the ABCD. I prefer to get long on these kind of patterns. Look at this. This is a really consolidation, and it's pretty risky and tricky. Know where to find the right point to buy or sell on this area. So I will keep you updated, and let's wait for the right setup. Okay guys, watching right here a big resistance at 4.35, and we are really close, really close to that breakout formation. So this pink line is showing us the big resistance, and we are making higher highs is the important part. So my stop will be at 4.25. 4.25 is my stop loss if we can break. So it's at least 10 cents of my entry point, a little more. Yeah, 4.37, 4.27 is 10 cents. Yeah, 10 cents of risk, and I think my stop, my target will be at 4.50 at least the first half. As you know, on the ABCD pattern, when we test the D point, you can make more of that. Okay, and we will see if we can break to the 460. So we need to be really patient and wait for the right setup. And 4.40 is a really important pivot also. So we have a lot of resistance, but I think talking in a risk benefit ratio and in the setup of the pattern will be a really nice breakout. Yeah. Okay guys, I think I'm getting long right here. Look at the buyers and sellers, and my stop will be closer. Okay, my entry price 4.33 in anticipation of the first breakout. Okay, um, right now my stop loss will be, as I said, at 4.25. So yeah, 25 I think is really important, and it's a few cents, 8 cents of risk. So normally I didn't do that. I always wait for the breakout confirmation. But let's see. This is a higher highs. I like this pattern. So the risk is pretty close to my entry price. So we have to be really patient. The volume is pretty low. Let's wait. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this beautiful. We break. Finally, we break on the 4.36. Sorry for not showing you on video the breakout formation, but right now we are pretty nice in a pretty nice performance on the pattern. I will continue put my stop loss at 4.25. This looks awesome, and I am expecting to all this upside. Okay, I am not even thinking in take some profit right now. Look at the volume. We have really nice volume on this breakout, and it's pretty important. And I hope we can. I mean, I want more volume than this. At least 30,000 shares traded on these candles, but I mean, we are only trade 1 million shares uh, yet, but it's a low float stock, so I'm continue with my principal target. Look at this, 4.44 is a huge level of resistance. I hope we can print green. Look at this, the tape. We don't have a lot of prints on red or green. Almost everything is on yellow. So 4.44 I think is going to be the next psychological level, and if we can break it, I am pretty much sure that we are going to move to the upside. So let's wait. The spread is open. We have a few sellers right now. I hope this setup can work for me pretty well. So right now the volume is almost nothing, so I'm not really concerned about that. And let's wait. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have a tremendous pullback after that. So my stop loss continue at 4.2025, so we are close but not so close. I am expecting right now to make the breakout of 4.44. Is a big level of resistance right now, so if we can break it, I think we will go. But right now I'm pretty concerned because if we make a lower high, we are in troubles, serious troubles. All right, and look at this. Yeah, we have some support right here below 30, but I think I cannot just my stuff. Let the setup run for you. Okay, is I mean, this risk I predeterminate the risk on this setup. So if we lose, I don't think I will. I mean, I will lose the first risk that I show you. So right now I am expecting the. Yeah, guys, look at this. Really nasty last candle, but at least we find some buyers. Look at this. It's because the spread, we have volume right now, and it's a natural pullback I think, and we are just in the trigger, and my stop is in the same place. So right now we are almost in the money, and that's the advantage that I put my entry price just below the breakout. We anticipate a multi breakout setup. Okay, right now the first breakout was right here, and the next one is right here at 4.44. This pink line is showing me right now the next level of breakout, so this is a multi breakout setup. So I know the risk, and we are having some support. Look at this area is a pivot, so that's why this breakout is this level is a huge resistance. We need to be really patient. about what is going to happen. And right now I have a tremendous thinking that the 50 moving average is the red one, is going to be the support. Okay, look at this. This is a natural pullback, so I'm concerned. Look at the buyers. We have some support on the bidders. We have some bidders, so I am expecting more of this, much more. Okay, watching the 5 minute chart, as you can see, looks awesome. Look at this. This is the first breakout formation. Right now, we are having some support right there. I hope we can hold the 4.30, and right now I'll break even. So if we can break the 4.44, we are going up to 450 is what I'm thinking right now. So I have a lot of expectation, and maybe we can't break that number. So I will accept my risk. Look, the volume is pretty much nothing, and yeah, the volume is not what I expected, but let's wait. Finally, look at this, guys. This is the perfect ABCD pattern. Never test our stop loss on 4.25. We was pretty close to that. Then we have the 4.44, and as you can see, we have a nice consolidation right here, and after that the breakout of the high of the day. So right now I want to take my profit if we can hold this. 4.49 is a nice level of resistance. Well, right now the support for 4.50. So if we break that level, I will be out with all of my position. Okay. Right now the chart is pretty overextended. My target was right here, so I am pretty happy with the behavior of this ABCD pattern. Again, look at this. The first buying price we have right here, and we have then after the breakout we have a nice move, and then lower highs. So I was pretty concerned actually. So let me show you right here. My stop loss was on 4.26, 25. Okay, I will put I put my stop in that place. So right now I think I will have my position if we can hold the 4.6. Look, the sellers. So let me see on the daily. Maybe we have something. Come on, break it. Look at this. Looks like a break. And look, the 5 minute is awesome for me. This is what I expect in every single ABCD pattern. And we have actually a tricky chart because we was really choppy. So today we have a really nice lesson about the stop loss. Look the movement on the upside. So again, I will explain the ABCD. We have the top. This is A. We have this higher low, and after that we have movement to the downside right here, a nice consolidation. This is the tricky part. So my C is right here. This is C. This is the tricky part, and that's why always you need a stop loss and correct stop loss. And that's why I saw this consolidation and I put on B. Close to B is not B because B is on 4.20. So I put my stop, and look at this correction. That was tricky. I was like concerned about the future price action. So I let the position run, and as you can see, the BWAP help us. So I will sell right now. Yeah, sold. I sold my position right now. Is my target, and I don't want to trade more this thing. I mean, we have news today on the market, so I look at the volume. The volume is really nice on this movement to the upside. So the whole setup is great. Let's go back to the 2 minute chart and look at the BWAP. The BWAP was great, and right now we are moving on a natural pullback. I should let something, but I don't want to take any more risk. And right now it's a pretty nice setup. working for me. Look at the hour. This is normally a pretty low volume time to trade, but in these cases the ABCD patterns are great for work. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And normally I will let something of my position, but today I don't want to trade anymore. Okay, this could go up and up and up, but I don't want to risk anything that I do today. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.